Welcome back to the Crypto Report, everybody. I'm Crypto Kip, and today we're going to be talking about the Bitcoin price. And a lot of people are calling for $1 million Bitcoin in the next 90 days. Is this something we can get? I mean, I'm also going to talk a little bit about some of the regulatory concerns that folks have been having, and a co-author to Joe Biden's executive order about how the government wants to handle cryptocurrencies speaks out about how they are not trying to do this. Operation Choke Point, and that crypto innovation is essential to the future of the economy. All these things coming as the Bitcoin price is moving up. We're going to talk about key targets, key levels in the Bitcoin price today, and a lot more. If you like the content, smash up the like button, subscribe to the channel. We're doing 5 videos every single day for you, and at 10,000 subscribers, we're giving away $1,000 worth of Bitcoin to one lucky subscriber. So don't miss out, guys. And take a look at this market cap, $1.16 trillion. Bitcoin dominance is above 46%, still up over the last 7 days, 14% over the last 7 days, which is incredible. Down a slight 1.25% ahead of the FOMC meeting that's coming tomorrow, where the Fed will decide what they're going to do with the interest rate hikes. People are getting nervous as this approaches. Of course, if the Fed does not raise the rates, this would most likely cause an extremely bullish run for not only crypto, but the S&P 500 as well. Guys, it does seem likely that the bottom is in, and we called it very, very perfectly here on the channel. I mean, we said back in November, as soon as we kind of came out of this, after the FTX collapse, that's about as bad as it's looking like it's going to get. We came right up out of that, tested it one time back in March, and now, boom, we are flying up. Actually, at the beginning of March, now we are flying up in a big, big way, getting huge rally here for the month of March. And Bitcoin does look, guys, it's broken through all these other resistances we've drawn out, and it does look like it's on its way to this blue line at $30,000, a very key level that we've seen previously, as Bitcoin is coming out of its last bull run into a bear market, which we're now coming out of, guys. And moving forward, you know, people are starting to wonder, can we get to $1 million in the next 90 days? Well, let's take a look at some of this real quick. So first of all, look at the market cap overall for crypto. It is moving up, but there's definitely going to be some key spots that we should kind of get hung up on along the way. At 1.2 trillion, which is right at probably the 30K Bitcoin level, we should be at like 1.2, $1.3 trillion for a market cap. Probably when we get to $2.1 trillion, we should probably slow up around that level. And then, of course, when we hit the $3 trillion previous all-time high for the crypto market, we can expect to see some stalling out for Bitcoin and crypto around that. And then as soon as we blow past it, then, of course, we'll be off to the races. And then I wouldn't be surprised to start seeing big moves in a big way. Now, 90 days for $1 million Bitcoin, is that really something we should look out for? Well, here is Balaji Srinivasan. Probably got his name wrong, guys, but he is the chief technology officer, the ex-chief technology officer for Coinbase. And he is coming out now and he is saying, hey, I think that Bitcoin's going to be worth $1 million in the next 90 days. And he is saying that because he does believe the way that inflation's going right now, this is extremely likely. And that's what a lot of people on Twitter are saying as well. They're saying hyperinflation is going to capitulate and catapult Bitcoin to $1 million in the next 3 months. There are over 1,000 tweets that are talking about this financial crisis, this banking bailout, and now this $1 million Bitcoin. It's very, very interesting to see this narrative start to develop. I mean, I've been in these markets since 2016. I don't expect this to happen, guys. I'll be very, very clear. Now, one day I do expect $1 million Bitcoin, but let's just take a peek at this real quick. So, first of all, what is hyperinflation? Well, hyperinflation is actually where basically inflation gets out of control very, very fast. Do you think it's already out of control? Just wait. If the hyperinflation happens, all of a sudden, all your daily goods, services, gas, food, all that is going to be not only unreasonably priced, but impossibly priced, right? And then that would drive people to look for other assets other than the dollar, where basically, you can still afford things. If Bitcoin keeps going up, then maybe I can still afford my eggs, is basically what some people might be waiting for with this hyperinflation thing. And I think that inflation definitely drives value to the future price of Bitcoin. And we'll have to see what happens with the FOMC meeting. That Fed rate hike is going to be very essential for this, and that could drive markets further. But I don't think this is the driving factor and I don't really believe in hyperinflation in the way it's being described in this article. I do believe inflation's bad, however, but realistically, guys, we do know that we could get to the top of this range in the next bull market, upwards of $200,000, $300,000. Now, I'll say this. If for some reason we do break out and we do go to $1 million in like the next 90 days, then, we're going to be breaking out of this parabola that we've been in for a while for Bitcoin. The 4-year cycle thing changes completely, and we're breaking out of this pattern. That would be extremely bullish, and at that point, you wouldn't even know how high the price of Bitcoin could go. If all these banks are really failing, and they do fail, and everybody moves their money into Bitcoin, Bitcoin could not only reach $1 million, but it could possibly reach $10 million. There's certainly enough money in the world for that. And Bitcoin is almost infinitely divisible, so you can divide it as many times as you want. That being said, guys, I am looking out for $200,000, $300,000 Bitcoin in the next bull run towards the peak. Hopefully a lot more. We'll have to see how it happens, guys. But anything else, I think, is a little bit of hopium. That being said, I love the messaging. It does drive some more FOMO into the market. I'm okay with FOMO. You could argue it's not a healthy rally for Bitcoin to fly up that fast. But also, if you were holding Bitcoin, could you really complain about it? I don't think so. I think it's a good thing overall, guys. So that's really all I got today. A very quick update for you. Also, just really want to note very fast that, hey, U.S. former White House advisor, this is the co-author of President Biden's executive order on crypto, said keeping crypto in the country is a matter of national security. So for the narrative of anybody thinking, hey, America is going to lose control of crypto and they're going to lose all the crypto to overseas, that is not how it's going to happen. This is what we're seeing from some of these previous advisors to the White House, people that helped with the crypto bill to the White House, speaking out against this whole Operation Choke Point where people are trying to kill crypto through some of these banking attacks that have been going on lately, which just certainly seems like it's been happening. But this individual wanted to speak out, Carol House, this co-author of Biden's executive order, against this narrative and say, no. We know, the U.S. knows, we can't box out crypto and that it's here for the future. So this is very bullish, guys. And regardless if we get to $1 million in the next 90 days or not, these are some of the things you got to be thinking about as we move towards the next bull run. Just note, we are giving away a loaded lion at 25,000 subscribers when we hit 25K subs. If you want to be a part of this giveaway, all you got to do is follow us at _crypto_report and follow the instructions here. Also, if you're a member on our channel, you get an additional 10 entries for every single month you're a member. If you want to become a member, go to our YouTube page, join right here or in the link in the description down below. We have live streams every Tuesday, Thursday at 5:30 p.m. Central Standard Time. If you're a member, you get loyalty badges next to your name in the comments and in the live chat, and custom emojis during these live streams to mess around with, have some fun in the community. Members also get access to our private Discord where you can talk directly with me and Black Sea. Guys, that's all I got today. I'm Crypto Kip. This is the Crypto Report. Don't forget to smash up the like button. It helps a lot in the YouTube algorithm, and subscribe to the channel for more content like this. And as always, guys, don't forget to DCA and HODL. We'll see you in the next one. Thanks, everybody. Have a great night. I got 2 videos for you here if you want to check them out. Peace.